Good day. In this video, I would like to present some information about the membership status of a non-profit organization in Hong Kong. The organization is called the Malaysian Association of Hong Kong, or MAHK. The information in this dashboard is created using Power BI. A simple CSV file database is used to store all the raw data. There are two tabs in this Power BI dashboard. The first tab is the background information about MAHK and the dashboard. The second is the dashboard containing a table and charts that measure how well MAHK is doing in the membership part. Let us first look at the background information of MAHK. Briefly, MAHK was established more than 45 years ago by a group of Malaysians living and working in Hong Kong. MAHK is essentially a social club. The executive committee members organize social events for members to have fun together. It is a non-profit organization established under the Society's Ordinance. To learn more about MAHK, please visit their website and social media. Since the dashboard focuses on membership status, I would like to discuss their membership structure. There are two types of members, ordinary and associate. Ordinary members are Malaysian citizens or Malaysian passport holders. Non-Malaysians are thus considered associate members. It should be noted that associate members pay higher membership fees than ordinary members. Membership is valid from 1st of January till 31st December. MAHK does not have a pro rata policy. After 31st December, the membership has expired and must be renewed within a year. If the membership has expired for more than a year, the member will have to rejoin the association as a new member if they are interested. In summary, a member who renewed after the expiry of their membership is considered an existing member. Newly joined members are called new members, including those whose membership has lapsed for more than a year. Now, let us focus on the dashboard. As you can see in the slider here, I have membership data from 2015 to 2022. Currently, the information shown here is for both new and existing members. I can check and uncheck the two options to see different information. We have three charts that show the trend in total members per year, total members according to category, and the total membership fees collected. Let us first see how well MAHK did in 2021. In 2021, the association had 319 members, where 225 were ordinary and the remaining 94 associate members. The total fees collected are about $81,000. Now that you know about the general membership status for 2021, let us see how this compares with historical data. As you can see, MAHK is doing exceptionally well. The total members in 2021 represent an increase of 16.4% from 2020. We are also seeing positive growth in associate and ordinary members. The table here is significant to the executive committee. It shows a detailed yearly growth rate in membership and the retention rate. MAHK has achieved positive growth rate in membership numbers since 2015, with 2018 being the best with a 46.6% increase in members. Another point to note is that MAHK has achieved double-digit growth yearly since 2015. One exciting trend observed is the retention rate. It refers to how well the association retains members and gets them to renew their membership. Except for 2016, the association has a consistent average retention rate of around 75.7% between 2017 and 2021. So they are not able to retain 100% of their members. Yet, they can still grow the membership by getting new members in. Overall, I feel that MHK is doing the right thing, judging by its ability to grow its membership and retain a healthy number of members. If they continue with what they have been doing for the last few years, I believe they will do well in their membership aspect.